I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
We're doing it live, ladies and gents. We're going to be closing out the U.S. session today. So welcome to the My Two Trades episode. What we got going on here really quickly? I just got to check something. I just entered a short on Ethereum and it's not looking good. I tell you that much. We'll get into the nitty gritty here in a second. Let me first share my screen so we can see what's going on here. Let's share this screen first. All right, so we got I entered a short on Ethereum that is going against us right now. Hit that like button as you guys come in. This episode is sponsored by BYDFi. Link is in the description below. And also don't forget to join the free chat room. Actually, I'm going to double down on this short since I'm in the red. I'm going to add a little bit more to this short really quickly. Add another 28,000 to the short. Boom. Go ahead and join the Telegram room. It's free. And I'll also be I think I'll kick it off either tomorrow or probably tomorrow. We'll be kicking off the copy trading. They just launched copy trading. They reformatted it, improved it and everything. So you'll be able to join me. I'll start trading on the copy trading side. So you guys can join in on all of my trades that you see live. We'll be doing those on the copy trading side so you can benefit as well. All right. Link in the description below. Lasers in the building. Shout out to Lasers. Interest in the house. That's right. Smash that like booty on the way in. Tomorrow I'm going to try to do a full morning session. Kicking it off. I've been getting going so late lately because I've been staying up late. So that's kind of what's been going on with me. That's why I haven't been trading the US morning session. But I really like to trade the morning sessions because it's just a little bit more action. We can get milk a lot more out of the markets in the morning 9 till 1, somewhere around there. So I did enter a short on Ethereum. As you can see here, I added to my position up here and we're starting to turn around now. Let's see what we got with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, ironically enough, is going the opposite way. We got a long on Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and take that long. So at least we're hedged. At least we will be hedged. No, I didn't mean to go there. What's going on? Let's go to futures. And we're going to do nibble on a little long here. For those that use moving averages, I don't. But you see the moving average there getting some support, it looks like. Moving averages give you so many false signals. It just doesn't make sense to use them. I'm going to be quite honest with you. It gives you so many false signals. You're better off using Bloodalytics. You're better off using Bloodalytics. Shout out to everyone on YouTube watching, everyone on Kick watching, and on X. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. So we're scalping on the 5 second, which is dangerous. You got to really be on something to scalp on the 5 second. But I'm on something. Who we got in the building here? Hyben said he's here. Trade Intuition said Ondo is moving. Uh-oh. I don't have any Ondo. I know Discover Crypto was real big on the Ondo. We are pretty kind of like hedged right now, guys. We got 54K on Bitcoin long and 97K, almost 100 grand on a short for Ethereum. Now, the Ethereum short, I doubled down on it because it started to go against me. I saw where my area of resistance was, so I said, okay, I'll get in, I'll double down and put some more in on this short right here using the Bloodalytics signal, and it's starting to go in our favor. So we'll just have to see which one wins. So far, Ethereum is winning. We got a running P&L about 61 bucks right now, 62 bucks. And we'll just see how this pans out. Now, I do want to go over and look at, I want to look at some swing trades. Let's look at some swing trades. Let's go MTS. Okay, we're picking up a little bit of speed, a little bit of momentum to the downside. So as a swing trade, we're in a Solana long from it was about 1 o'clock. I hate the time. Let me see if I can fix this on this chart. I like the 12-hour format better. Let's see. So we at about 2 o'clock we went long on a Solana trade. Took a little bit of 50% off right here, and we're letting the rest ride. But of course I'm not in that trade, but that's what the signal gave us. Tron, we closed that long, so we're neutral on Tron. BNB, we were short, taking profits on the way down. We went short this morning at 7:45, and we took profits on the way down. It's starting to head up, but still kind of in the short position there. Near has been killing it. Round of applause for my Near traders and Near bag holders. Near has been killing it. A couple good long trades on Near. Starting on Monday, we shorted it for the week, coming into the week, and it's just been beautiful. And on the way back up too. So Near is looking great. Hedera, we got a Hedera trade, but I'm not confident in the Hedera trade. We'll come back to that. But so far, I mean, Ethereum is heading slightly lower on the 5-second. This doesn't mean much. This is only on the 5-second. But we are up on it. However, our Bitcoin short long is not looking good. As you can see, we're down 88 bucks on that, but we're up 240, 260 on the Ethereum short. MP in the house. Lou Ross, how long have you been trading with that 10K? I've been trading this, that's a good question, since November. End of November. But I haven't been trading like consistently with the account. It's just, I'm trying to get more consistent with trading it up. I've been more consistent lately. We got an alert. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we just decided to go short. So what I'm gonna do is just do I like the reverse action on BYDFi. You can just flip that around, and so that's what I did. I just flipped that to a short. See if we can pile on the momentum downward. Ethereum trade going in our favor. Again, this is on the 5 second. We're scalping on the 5 second live for you, live and direct. Should be taking some profits shortly. Let's see here what we got. But you know, the thing about trading, the more you trade, the more you're going to lose. So honestly, it's better to trade less. Honestly, more you trade, the more you lose. You plan the odds, you plan the statistics, guys. So the more you statistically, the more you do anything, the higher the likelihood of you know, having an accident or an issue, right? That's just what it is. So same with trading. The more you trade, the more likely you're going to lose. That's why you should have a set time period or time frame in which you trade between, and just keep it there. Don't overtrade your account because you end up losing. It's like watching paint dry, boy, I tell you. Tom Kalai said, I'm looking at the charts. Bitcoin does not look like it's going up, dude. We can zoom out. I'm on the 5 second right now, scalping, Tom. We'll zoom out and take a look. We'll take a look. I'm just trying to see if we can get our first take profit on our scalp trades. We got 2 shorts on Bitcoin. We were first long on Bitcoin. We reversed that to a short. We got a short open on Ethereum. Our running P&L right now is about $450, 460, something around there. All right, so let's take a look at the main chart. Yeah, I mean, we're running into that zone. It's so funny. We're running into that zone of resistance plus the channel. Remember the infamous channel I told you about, guys? These 2 red lines. I said once we breach that, it's And I said that back here. Once we breached the channel, it was a done data. Back here on February 24th. So we are running into some resistance here. We've kind of tapped it a few times here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. But I will say this down here on Tuesday, we had a little whipsaw action going on. There was some battling going on down in this zone of 82K. So someone came in and was buying the floor. So not too sure. Seems like there's some defending of the for the bulls on the 82K marker on Bitcoin. Trying not to let it drop to that 72. The longer we hold it, the lower my target goes, though. So if we don't come down, then that 72 becomes 71, 70 potentially. But it is it's looking kind of good right now. It is looking kind of good. This action again from yesterday tipped me off to like, oh, whoa, we got some people battling down here at 82K. We got a second go short on Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and try to add to that position really quickly. We'll add 30K to that. We'll see how it pans out, guys. I don't know. Things are starting to turn around. Looks like we're about to go back long. I think we're about to go long. Yep. Reverse that to a long. Today has been topsy-turvy. No real direction on today's session. If you look at it, I mean, we opened, let's just say about 8 o'clock Eastern Standard, and it's been a nothing burger. It's literally been a nothing burger. This is where we started. We went down, came up, went down, came up. This morning was actually good. A nice downward trend, but it got turned around by the bulls. Interesting. We got a sale on Bitcoin, so we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and reverse, take the 140 and reverse it. That's interesting. See, with this strategy, like we're really looking for the home runs, because if it's anything small, it's you know, the fees and stuff are going to eat up a lot of your profits, no matter what exchange you're on. BYDFi has some of the lower spreads on and commission, so but it's still going to eat into it a great deal. So we want to try to get the big trades, a lot of small losses, and then boom, the big trades, like, you know, something like this back here at noon today. That was a nice long trade. We want longer trades to win on that'll make up for those small losses. Just got to be patient, and it may not happen in one session. You might have to come back next day, but you'll get it. Once you get that good run, that good trade, you got to milk it and run it, and it'll make up for all those small losses. Hopefully. Crypto Face, just shout out to AI Griff. Crypto Face just sent out a notification on YouTube going long. Let's see where my swing trade is telling us to what our swing trade Bloodalytics is telling us to do here. Let's load this up. So Bloodalytics on the swing trade longer time frame gave us a long at 2 o'clock today. It did. And I mean, we went long really this morning at 4:30, and you know, you would have taken those and then gone short. This was actually a sequence of good trades here for Bloodalytics on Bitcoin. So currently we are technically long on Bitcoin as well. Went long at 2 o'clock, 2:08, something like that. Probably going to go long here. It's looking like it on Bitcoin again. So we'll have to end up reversing that trade. Still holding on to that short. Still holding on to that short. All right, so let's reverse this Bitcoin trade and go long. Let's try it. Let's try it again, ladies and gents. It's so late in the session, we might not get anything meaningful, to be honest with you, on the scalp. Because I usually close out. If I'm scalping, I don't hold anything because conditions change so quickly. You just got to close out. So at around 4 o'clock, we'll just close out. And tomorrow I'll try to make sure I get up and going early enough to do the swing trades. Those are the more surefire trades. Let me see if I can let's see something. BYDFi. Trying to find. All right, what we got going on here? All right, we're going long on ETH now. So let's go ahead and reverse that trade. Yeah, I'm trying to find my let's see, he could be on the hunt for 1-2. Sui has a lot of bull divs on multiple time frames. Meeting tomorrow or Friday. I'm just trying to see about this copy trading. I'm trying to move some funds over here. Let's see. Another sale on Bitcoin. Okay. Go ahead and reverse that. Hit that like button, y'all. If you're watching right now, live scalp trading. looking for some swing trade setups, but right now, scalp trading on BYDFi. I'm actually still in a short on Bitcoin. I didn't take that long because I felt like we were heading lower and roll over. So I did not take the long signal on that. Thank God, because it's up. It's canceling out this long on ETH. So I'm thinking the markets, what time is it? 3:40. Markets are probably fizzled out for today. I can't see us making any huge move. Like, we'll wait till 4 and see on the close, but it's not looking like too much price action today that's left in this session. Had some earlier today, 11 noon. Got a nice little pump on Ethereum, but yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna get much action out of today. I'll have a link for the copy trading in next session. I can't find how I share that so you can copy trade. And the copy trading primarily will be, I mean, we'll scalp, but I'll primarily be doing swing trades. Shout out to Wisdom. Bro, the eggs were expensive under Biden, not Trump. Trump been in office for 30 minutes. I'm hearing, here comes alt season. Not thinking so, in my opinion. I don't see the catalyst either, man. I would be a latecomer if it were the case, because I would need us to see like almost getting to all-time highs for me to be on board with that. I'm already short on Bitcoin, so I don't think I've ever really scalped toward the end of the day. I normally do 8 o'clock through noon. So we will definitely look for some setups for swing trades for tomorrow's session. We should get a clear direction by tomorrow. We'll know if we're going to break out to the upside, really maybe even over tonight into Asian market open. So we should have a clear direction by then. NIR is going crazy right now. Yeah, we're technically long on Bitcoin on the swing trade, like face. Here's our swing trade long on Bitcoin. Again, would have entered at 2 o'clock today. Starting to break out. What is your favorite signal indicator or pattern to trade on? My personal is low SR, inverse head and shoulders. My favorite is Bloodalytics, baby. That's what I'm using. I don't use nothing else but my own indicator. I don't RSI is cool, but it gives a lot of the problem with RSI is that so many people use it, so it's like the market see where your trades are and will work around that because everyone is using it. Any of the indicators, really. If you want to grab some alpha edge out of the markets, you gotta do something like real obscure, or just do trend lines, because trend lines are trend lines. You can't, you know what I mean? Like, you can't really fake the funk on trend lines, or exchanges can't really manipulate trend lines. Like, if they break a trend line, then they break a trend line. But this is on the 5 second, right? This is not, it's not a, I wouldn't use trend lines on the 5 second. Just saying. But I'm just saying, like, if you use trend lines and support and resistance, S&R, you should be good. Indicators get a little tricky. The common indicators get a little tricky, bro. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I mean, it went through the roof after Biden got in because we were in the worst pandemic. Like, that's an outlier. We can't use that. Before the COVID, Trump had that boy popping, baby. But once Biden took over, he took it to another level on the printing of money and all that other stuff, bro. This guy went out of control. That's why we have inflation the way we have it now. He didn't stop. Kept going with it. Eight minutes. I probably won't add another trade on this one because we're gonna shut it down at 4 anyway. So I don't see any meaningful real moves coming up today, ladies and gents. And again, we'll look for the swing trade setups for tomorrow. We should have a clear direction in the markets later today. Whether or not we're going to roll over, we'll find out if we're going to either roll over or continue our upward path. Again, indication went long on Solana at almost 2 o'clock today. Would be long on Tron. No, Tron is a close, but it closed because of my criteria, but that's still a long trade. BNB is reversing. We took some profits on these down here, but it's starting to reverse, potentially going long soon. Near is long. So I think most of the trades are looking bullish. Trump's tariff starting to show positive, what is that, traction? I don't think if the tariffs continue, it's going to be in the short run a negative thing, especially if the countries don't bend. But I think they will. So it's really a tool to get them to do what we want them to do. It's not intended to be like a long-term keep the tariffs where they are. So we'll see. Yeah, if I were trading all day today, we would have ended on Ethereum. At least we would have ended where does today start? All right, we're gonna close out of this for a $23 loss. We're just gonna end that one, and we'll see what happens with the Ethereum. But if we were to start trading, yeah, we would have ended up because this is Wednesday, this is today. So we would have ended up in the red on Ethereum for today, because this is where we would have started, and that's about 0.8% lower. And I know for sure Bitcoin would have definitely ended up in the red today. Yep. We would have started about right here. That would have been a -4, almost 5%. But yesterday's session was would have been good. Scalps look good in yesterday's session. I will again have the link for you guys to join the copy trading. We'll start trading on that side on the live streams going forward. No, I didn't see that, but I saw, I think, another Fed. I don't know if it was Boston or They said negative. Yeah, it's going to be negative. But, you know, the crazy thing is we've been in a recession. I said this on Twitter earlier today. We've been in a literally defined recession since October of 2023. That's when the recession started. But Biden and his manipulations and lying, we should rename Leiden and his administration. All they know how to do is lie, manipulate, steal. And so they manipulated the markets, you know, and made it seem like we were doing great all that time, but we really weren't. And we're getting revisions on everything now. So it's just crazy, bro. It's just absolutely crazy. So we've been in recession for a while. But the good thing, if that is the case, then if we've been in a recession for a while, then that means we shouldn't be in a recession for too much longer. But we'll see, man. I don't know. I'm a skeptic. I think the economy, the underlying economy, is very weak. Main Street is weak. This inflation has been killing us for the last 4 years on an upward trajectory. AI is killing jobs. Doge is killing jobs in the federal. That's real. Those are real dollars. Regardless if the work was real or the positions were real or not, those are real dollars. So I personally don't think we're going to come out of a recession. I think we're going to stay in a recession, quite frankly. I'm just trying to see where we... Again, ladies and gents, welcome to the stream. If you're just tuning in, we're about to wrap up here in a second. We've been scalp trading the last hour. It's been topsy-turvy. No real action. Probably because I'm doing it at the end of the day. Tomorrow we will do some swing trades, and hopefully I can have the copy trading link ready so you guys can just sync your accounts, BYDFi, and ride along. We'll run it up. We will run it up. David, Arizona asks, are we still expecting a return to 70K? I'll know later today, David, because right now it's indecisive. It looked as though we were having a breakout to the upside, but we needed to get above this zone, this red zone here. Let me show you this zone right here. We need to get above here on Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. All right, we need to get above and stay above 90K. If we can't hold 90K, essentially, if we can't score a point over here at the local top of 91,000, then we're going to roll over and start heading back down. Someone came in and saved us yesterday. We know it wasn't MicroStrategies because they only buy on the way up. Round of applause for that. They only buy on the way up. They never buy on the way down. So I don't know who that was there buying, but they did. They bought because we were heading lower. We were going to hit 72 is my target, or was my target, 72K, but strong move off those lows. What, about an 8% move, I believe? 10% move. That's a big move. That's a huge move. So we shall see. Yeah, we shall see by tonight. I'll know by tonight. We should see what's going to happen. Yeah, I'll have that link for copy trading ready. BYDFi tomorrow. And then we'll go from there. Other than that, I'm out of here. I'm going to go ahead and close out this. Go ahead and close out this short on ETH now. I feel like it's going to roll over and keep going lower, but we're just going to close out. And so we're flat. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.
I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Okay. Ready?
Fucking thing sucks. We'll do it live.
Okay.